Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Iramani and in this short video I am going to demonstrate my basic calculator app which I created with the help of Claude AI. The purpose of this demonstration is to show that the calculator is properly working and that its basic mathematical operations are functioning correctly or not. So I would like to share my screen. Now, first I will test the addition. So I will enter some figures from here. Then we will test that addition function is working or not. Okay, I'm writing 25 and then hit the button of plus. Now 25 plus 15, a result should be 40. I will hit now the button of is equal to. Okay, that's great. As you see that the calculator display 40, so the addition function is working correctly. Also, you can notice that which function I have performed. History box is also showing that calculations. Now, I will remove this, but you can see that history box is showing that we can clear from history from here. Okay, let's now we will move to another function, that is subtraction. Now let's test subtraction function is working or not. Okay, I will enter 50, click on minus button, and then after that 20, result should be 30. Okay, we will move towards is equal to button. Great. So the subtraction function is also working properly. History box is also showing are working. Now remove this and we will move the third function, multiplication. Okay, now I will write 8 and click on button, multiply button, multiplication. Now I will multiply with 7. Result should be 56. Now we will move toward the button is equal to. Okay, great. You see, you can see the calculator display 56. So multiplication is also working properly. Now we will remove this and move towards another function, that is division. We should divide some figures like I will enter 100 divided by 4. So then result should be 25. Now we will move toward the is equal to button. The calculator gives us the right answer. So the division function is also working. And you can see the history is showing all four functions which we have performed. We can also clear history like this. If we click on the button of clear, you can notice that all history will be deleted. Okay, I did this. I do this. Okay, this is now noticeable that there is no any figure or history. So my basic purpose is to show that how we can create some apps with the help of AI tools. And now we have checked the functionality of this uh, calculator, basic calculator app. This is functioning properly. So this is short demonstration of my basic calculator app created with assistance of Claude AI. The application successfully performs the basic arithmetic calculations through a simple and user-friendly interface. For such applications and videos, subscribe my channel. For that time, Allah Hafiz.